Hey kids, this is lesson 6, level 7, choose your own adventure B. We're going to do the bank account. Bank account's almost exactly like the employees. So let's take a gander at this and what we have to do. So again, my bank account is an array of accounts. Well, actually, it's an array of bank accounts. And then I've got this bank object, which is my local bank, which is a bank object where I'm passing that array of accounts to it. So let's look at the bank class. The bank class just has one attribute. It's all its accounts, and it's an array of accounts, which are bank accounts. And there is a, we're going to do the withdrawals method. And there is a toString method that is called, but we won't have to do anything with that because that's done automatically. Now here is the bank account. So the bank account has two attributes, a customer name and a balance. So every bank account has those two attributes to them. The difference is in how withdrawals are computed. So I can deposit money into my account, or I can withdraw money into my account, and it doesn't matter even if my balance goes negative here with my withdrawal. In other words, if I withdraw more than I have in my account, I don't suffer a penalty. So in the basic account extends the bank account, and it has the same two attributes, a customer name and a balance, and it just lets the superclass, which is the bank account, handle that. The difference is in the withdrawal. So for example, this withdrawal method overrides the withdrawal method in the bank account, but you'll notice that it passes the amount of withdrawal to the superclass. It lets the superclass or the bank account handle it. But what it does do is if the balance happens to be zero, less than zero, it asks the superclass to withdraw $3 additional more. So that is the big difference here. Now let's go through this. Let's go to our to-do list number 1 in the bank Java class. So we're going to write the make withdrawals method to withdraw the parameter account from each account balance. So here's my make withdrawal, and I'm going to use an enhanced for loop. So for, and these are bank account objects in this array. So I'll go bank account, and I'm going to call each one a BA in accounts. And the only thing I want to do is from each thing, I want to call its own withdrawal method. And I want to withdraw the amount that is being passed. So that's all I want to do. Nothing to return because it's a void method, so there's nothing there to return. And then let's go to number 2 in the bank runner class. So we want to call the make withdrawals method, and then we want to print the bank object. So we've got our bank object, which is local bank. So we want to go local bank dot make withdrawals, and I think we want to do 300, and then I want to print out the local bank object. And when we run that, let's see. Let's go back and look at it. Oh, I think I might have used, I think it should just be withdraw, not withdrawals. I think it should just be withdraw. Let's try this. There you go. I had withdrawals there. That should have been withdrawal. So this gets printed out. I know the test is not going to run because it doesn't like alleys. I think this is an error in the test. So this is not you. I think everything's good here. I think everything's good. I'm not going to worry about the test. I think it's doing what it's supposed to do. I do want to point out, though, that each line is the two-string method from the bank account class. So, for example, the two-string method in the bank account class prints out the customer name plus a colon space $sign plus whatever the balance is. And so in the bank, its two-string method is for each bank account in accounts, it's going to return that account. So this two-string method is actually operating on this account, and that's why it's printing out a line. I know that question came up last week. That's what's happening. So anyway, that's it. Let's go to the next one. Hope that's helpful.